Hi, level 2. Good morning. How are you? I thought I would try a different background today. Something new for you. How are you going? Busy week with reading assessment and maybe starting your speaking assessments. Okay, guys, so let's get stuck into it. Let's start straight away today. Let me share my screen with you so I can show you what you're doing next week. Here it comes. Right. Okay, guys. Oh, where is it? Let me have a look. Nope, that's not it. Nope, this is it. Right. Okay. So this week is week 10. Next week is week 11. So next week, the two assessments that you will need to do, one, do your speaking assessments for event 1. If you haven't done them yet, or finish your speaking assessments. And next week, our assessment will be writing. Another writing, yes. So this one is the writing assessment for event 2. Today's lesson is very important because this is a good formative for your writing assessment next week. Okay, so very important to do the lesson today, guys. Okay, so let's have a look. So here we go. First, I will show you the activity that you need to do. It's a writing activity. It's writing a biography about a famous person. So you will be given a choice of 4 people. You only have to do one. Choose one of these people, not all 4. Too much writing. So choose one of the famous people. Plan your writing. After this, I will go through a plan with you so we can look at a plan together. Then you must write at least 150 words. So it's a long writing, the same length as your assessment. And use connectives in your writing. Connectives are also sometimes called linkers or linking words, words that join sentences together, like and, but, so, because, however. But we will look at that later, yeah? So here, first, let's look at the 4 famous people you can choose from. So the first one here is Katrina Raw. There's information there about her. It tells you which country she's from, when she was born, if she's married. It tells you about her family, why she is famous, why she is well known, which is another word for famous. It tells you about her schooling, school and university, and it tells you also about her interests and hobbies. So, as you can see from the picture, she is a netball player, yes. And the next person here you could choose, or you could do, if you think this man is more handsome and you like him, you can write about him. James Ralston. Again, it gives you information about his life. Very, very serious looking young man. Okay, 2 more people. Stan Walker. I know this one. Stan Walker, he is a singer. and his information is there. He's a very good singer. Or Nadia Lim. And by the picture, I don't know her, but judging by the picture, she looks like she might be a chef, perhaps. Okay, guys, so remember, just choose one of these people, not all four. So then it will give you a place to do your planning. Plan your writing before you start. Very important. It makes your writing a lot clearer and easier to understand. So when you're planning, just write the information in the boxes. So their name, country, where are they from, their nationality, date of birth, marital status. So marital status is, are you married? Are you married or are you not married? Single. Family, reasons they are well known. So what does well known mean again? Good, famous. Education, then interests and hobbies or other information. So put your ideas, your notes in the plan. Then you can write your answer. Okay, so let's have a look here how we would do paragraphs for this writing. So okay. How do I make it bigger? I'm not sure, guys. Sorry, I don't know how to make this one bigger. Anyway, level 2, writing biography. So your first paragraph, paragraph 1, is your introduction. So in this paragraph, answer these questions about your person. So who are you writing about? What's their name? Why are they famous? Why are they well known? Where and when were they born? And where do they live now? So some general information about your person, the person you are going to write about. So paragraph 1, introduction. Okay. Paragraph 2, you could write about their family. So are they married or are they single? Do they have a partner? Maybe they have a partner, but they're not married yet. Do they have any children? Who are their parents? And have they got any siblings? What does siblings mean? Yep, siblings, brothers, and or sisters. Okay, then paragraph 3, you could talk about their education. So where did they go to school? Did they go to university? If so, if they went to university, which university did they go to? Or where? Where did they go to university? Then paragraph 4, you can talk about their interests and hobbies. So what do they like doing? And the last paragraph, paragraph 5, is your conclusion. And just give any other information that is mentioned. So what other information can you tell me about this person? So there we go, guys. Those questions will help you to write your paragraphs. Now, important. Don't forget to use capital letters at the start of a sentence. If you don't do this, your grammar, your punctuation is not correct. So please use a capital letter at the beginning of every sentence. Also, use a full stop at the end of the sentence. So, capital letter at the beginning, full stop at the end, then leave a space. So, after a full stop, leave a space. After a comma, leave a space. Also, leave a line between paragraphs. So, paragraph 1, your introduction, then leave a space, leave a line. Next line, start your second paragraph. And finally, include words, they're called connectives or linkers. Use words like and, but, so, because. Okay, guys, now I have written an example for you. So let's have a look at this one. I didn't write about a famous person. I wrote about myself. So I am not famous. All right. So here we go. Again, I'm sorry I can't get it bigger, guys. I hope you can read this. So I am going to write about Christine. So you can begin your writing with this expression. I am going to write about, and then their name. Full stop, then space. Space, capital letter. So I am going to write about Christine. She is a teacher at Dynaspeak. She lives in Devonport, in Auckland. But she was born in Brisbane, Australia in 1971. So that is my first paragraph. What's another name for the first paragraph? Yep, introduction. So I am going to write about he or she lives in where? Where do they live? But she was born in, or he was born in where? Where were they born? Okay. Next paragraph. So here we go. Leave a space. Yeah? Leave a space. She is married to a rich and famous man called Brad Pitt. They have 15 children. No, not true, guys. In my dreams. And her mother's name is Faye, and she lives in Brisbane. But unfortunately, her father died 8 years ago. She has one younger brother and an older sister. Now, the next paragraph, so leave a space, guys. Next paragraph is about education. So, she went to school in Noosa, which is in Queensland. Then she went to the University of Queensland, which is also in Brisbane. Leave a space. Next paragraph is about what does she like doing and her hobbies. She likes, so after likes, we will use ing for an activity. She likes hiking. swimming, ing, reading, and traveling. So she or he likes, don't forget S, she likes, ing, she likes hiking, she likes swimming, she likes reading, and she likes traveling. Sometimes she likes gardening, ing, and going to markets. Now, the last paragraph, which is also called what? Yep, also called the conclusion. So, this is some information about my teacher, Christine. She is a lovely lady, and one day I hope she wins the lottery. Me too. Okay, guys, so this is an example. It's not quite 150 words, so yours will need to be a little bit longer than this, but it gives you some good information, a good idea about what to put in each paragraph. Okay, guys, so yeah. Be careful. Be careful with your tenses. Sometimes you will need present simple. Sometimes you will need past simple. So let's look at the introduction again. So you can begin your writing with this exact expression. I am going to write about, and which of those 4 famous people you want to write about. The only one I can remember is Stan Walker, the singer. So, for example, I am going to write about Stan Walker. He or she lives in. So, present simple, because they live here now, it is a fact. So, he or she lives in where? He or she was born in, so we need past tense. Yep. So was born. In for a city or in for a country as well. So she was born in Brisbane. She was born in Australia. And if it is a year, we use in as well. So she was born in 1971. Present again. So it's a true fact. It's a fact that is true now. So she is married or she isn't married. Again, present simple. They have 5 children. They have 10 children. Or they have no children. Her mother's name is, so here, don't forget, apostrophe S for possessive. Her mother's name. Here we've got a linker, so you can join 2 ideas with the linker and. Her mother's name is Faye and she lives in Brisbane. Here is another linker as well, but her father died. Again, present simple for brothers and sisters. She has a younger brother and an older sister. The paragraph about education will be past tense. So she went to school in Noosa a long time ago. She went to university. And remember, with hobbies and likes, don't forget third person S. She likes or he likes, and ing. If it is an activity, she likes hiking. Right. Okay, guys. So there we go. You can pause the video and take notes or take a photo of any of the information you think will be useful. Remember, this is a very good formative and very important for your writing assessments next week. So definitely do this homework. Okay, so here we go, guys. Remember, you just choose one of the people here, not all four. Right. Okay, guys. So there we go. So good luck with your writing. Definitely do your writing next week. Don't forget, it is writing assessment again. Writing assessment, event 2, next week. Okay, guys, that's it. Get busy. Start your writing so your teacher can mark it and you can get some good ideas before you do your writing assessment next week. Okay, guys, bye. I'll see you next Friday. Good luck.